My name is Taline Sarian, and today we're gonna make Armenian Pilaf, or we can call it Bulgur Pilaf. For ingredients, we have one onion, one red pepper, one tomato sliced. We have 1 cup bulgur and 2 cups hot water, salt and pepper. This is the one. So we are moving there. First, you're gonna fry 1 onion. I remember my mother and my grandmother, they used to make this one because it's healthy and it's easy to make and easy to teach the kids. Now we're gonna put the red pepper and we're gonna fry it together. Now we're gonna put 1 tomato. We cut it small pieces. We're gonna add a little bit salt, pinch of salt, or depend on how much salt you want. And a pinch of black pepper. Now we're gonna add 1 cup full bulgur inside and we're gonna fry it together. After that, we're gonna add 1 bouillon in 1 cup of water, and we're gonna add it in, and 1 cup plain hot water. Then we're gonna put the less heat, so it's gonna cook by itself. It's almost 15 minutes, then it's gonna be ready. Oh, I think it's ready, so we're gonna plate it now, so you can see how tasty is it. Now we're gonna put it in the plate. Yes, so you can taste it now.
Welcome to Learn the Dish.
My name is Miran.
My name is Ani.
My name is Silva.
The best way to get to know a people is through their food.
Today I'm going to show you how to make tabbouleh.
I'm going to show you how to make mantı.
One of our specialties here is Armenian coffee.
We're building a community to share the traditional dishes just like your grandma used to make.
Everybody would come and ask me for mantı.
Always super proud to serve here.
Come with us. Share your recipes too. And maybe learn the dish.
Enjoy.